The Google Pixel 8 Pro has been seen in a few of hands-on photographs that claim to have been leaked by a user in Vietnam. The Pixel 8 Pro is set to be unveiled on October 4th, with Google already revealing various facts about their 2023 top smartphone. A handful of hands-on photographs of the Google Pixel 8 Pro in Obsidian Black have been released on Facebook and X, previously Twitter. The design of the Pixel 8 Pro has been known for some time, with multiple Pixel 8 leaks, some even originating from Google, giving enthusiasts a decent sense of what to anticipate on October 4th. In this instance, there is a glance at both the back and front of the Google Pixel 8 Pro, with the settings shown on the display verifying that this is the genuine thing. The Pixel 8 Pro's back displays the familiar camera bar, with the smartphone boasting 3 sensors here: a 50MP primary camera, a 48MP ultra-wide camera, and a 48MP telephoto lens. On the front is a 10.5MP selfie camera. The Pixel 8 Pro live shots show that the back has a matte shine and that the front has ample of screen real estate owing to some extremely small bezels. In addition to Obsidian Black, the Google Pixel 8 Pro should also be available in sky blue and porcelain. The Pixel 8 Pro is anticipated to start at $899/$999. It's frustrating that the Pro Controls functionality is confined to the Pixel 8 Pro. Manual controls like this are prevalent on other cell phones. I see no technical reason why the ordinary Pixel 8 should be excluded, given it has extremely identical camera technology to the Pro model. It's unfortunate that the basic Pixel 8 model looks to be artificially constrained in ways that might catch naive purchasers off guard. We'll find out for sure on October 4th. Is it still worthwhile to wait for the Pixel 8 Pro, given the anticipated limits of the standard Pixel 8 model? Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.